Hello, dear viewers. I'm Sifat Jamal. In front of you have come with a new video. So welcome back to my channel. You are very well known that I always talk about Kinsta hosting services. Uh, Today I will talk about the Kinsta's total product and what are the pricing and how to use them and the main features of the Kinsta hosting's products. So let's go to the main point. Here you can see the managed hosting products, hosting for WordPress. Uh, I want to show you the main products of these Kinsta services. Here you will see the products, but there are five products in this Kinsta, and they are the managed hosting for WordPress, developer by Kinsta, web application hosting, static site hosting, and managed database hosting. They are the products, and it has many features. If you notice here, the features highlights Kinsta automatic updates, Cloudflare integration, Kinsta API, expert support, free WordPress migrations, APM tool, the Kinsta, its casing, and dedicated hosting for WordPress, and also the add-ons. And which case you uses basically people uses some of the cases this hosting, and there is enterprise cases, agency cases, education, e-commerce store, small businesses, non-profit organizations, single high resources site, and case studies. You can also see here the resources. There's a documentation, science blog, Kinsta newsletters, development tools, Kinsta versus competitors, agency directors, and system status. And it is the most trusted site in the world, I think. And you can get the about the companies, and you can contact with them if you use or if you want to use this Kinsta hosting services. Please go to the page and justify all of the resources, all of the capacities, all of the trustfulness of the site. Here in this company site, you will get all of the resources to find out what is serving by this Kinsta. So now I want to show you about the documentation. You can see here the documentation. I will show you. To see the documentation, you will find these products here: WordPress hosting, static site hosting, application hosting, database hosting, and the WordPress hosting. If you want to get here, the database hosting is the Kinsta's high performance WordPress hosting infrastructure gives you access to 35 data centers worldwide to launch your WordPress site. You can migrate it. Migrate your WordPress site from another provider to Kinsta. So if you use another provider services, then if you want to come back to the WordPress hosting, you easily can migrate your service provider to Kinsta. These are domains. If you have to follow or go, if you want to know about the domains, you have to follow the guide on how to add a domain to your site on Kinsta. So here you will get all of the guidance. Here there is a guide to add a new WordPress site. See migration guide, how you can migrate your service to Kinsta. Here in this button, if you click here, you will see all of the regulations, rules, and the systems to migrate your website, the WordPress site from another provider to Kinsta. Okay, so in case of domains, you can also see the domains guidance, and if you how to if you want to add a domain to your site on Kinsta, click here. Uh, uh, you can also see here the static site hosting. If you want to get started, or if you want to have this site of your own, you can click here and then you deploy your own static site. Okay, by clicking here, you will be able to fill up some uh, other what can I say, the you can fill here the form, and after that you will be able to deploy your own static site here. So here also the application hosting, uh, if you see here, they will get the application hosting, database hosting is in the same case, in the host your database hosting guide. So if you want to um, know about Kinsta, if you want to use Kinsta, please uh, go to the link below, and this link will redirect you to this main page, and here you will be able to see all of the data, all of the systems as your own. uh, I usually don't share any wrong materials or any spam in my YouTube. I usually have come here to help you who are mostly using the online sites, who are wanting to get online income through website making, or any other services, such as the blogs or the e-commerce, and many others. uh, by using the website, you can use, or you can try the Kinsta uh, Kinsta services, and this Kinsta service will uh, give you the fastest service in WordPress hosting system. And if you use this hosting, the first month will be free for you, and after that you can choose. You will also you will get time to choose the best WordPress hosting. So I think you should try it for the first month, and after that it's your time. uh, if you if you don't want to use, uh, after that you can decide. But I think to make your website fast, Kinsta is better than any other uh, WordPress hosting. Thank you for watching my videos.